Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to share something with you that I watched recently, and it was a business coach, and he was one of those intense Navy SEAL kind of guys who rallies the crowd and gets them super pumped up. And it seemed like most of the audience were male. So I don't know what kind of conference it was he was speaking at, but one that leaned male at least. But one of the things that he said that I thought was so powerful is he said, stop looking to everyone to help you and to fix you. He said, I want you to go in the bathroom, close the door, turn the light on, and look in the mirror. Because that's the person that's going to help you. And you need to have a good relationship with that person. And you need to trust that person. And you need to believe in that person. And you need to know that that person is going to help you. Now, our hope comes from the Lord. Our strength comes from the Lord. But the Lord can't override what you choose to think about in your brain. The stories that you tell yourself. I mean, obviously he can, but he gives us free will. So he's just kind of watching us and he's like, all right. Like we're like a pouty 15-year-old and he's like, when you're ready to come out of your room and talk to me, I'm here. When you're ready to calm down and stop having that sassy pants attitude. And I thought it was powerful because obviously his moms were like in and out of the bathroom real fast or hiding and like trying to calm down. But rarely do I look in the mirror. Rarely do I take the time to just like look in the mirror. And since hearing that, I thought, what a wonderful opportunity to just take 30 seconds and look in the mirror and just say, I'm going to help you. I love you. And it's almost like future me talking to current me a little bit, or more mature me or more sainthood me talking to current me, just being like, hey, boo, I got you. I'm going to help you. We're going to learn some things. We're going to practice some things. We're going to be a woman who asks for what she wants, right? Like in the beginning when I said, hey, no one's going to help you, what I mean is no one's going to help you without it starting with you. So one of the big themes for me this year has just been becoming a woman who asks for what she wants. We've talked about that. And so you can ask for help, but it all starts with you. And that's what I love about this mirror exercise. It's just like looking in the mirror and just being so kind and gentle with yourself and building up a relationship of trust. I'm thinking about you. I want the future to be better. I'm going to help you. I'm going to problem solve for you. I'm going to cheer you on. I think you're doing a great job. You are momming so hard today. Look how you dealt with that. You only ate 5 cookies instead of 10. You can celebrate anything. This is powerful. Most of you don't want to look in the mirror because you don't trust the person looking back at you. Wouldn't it be cool if that's the only goal you had for the rest of the year? I'm going to build a relationship with trust with myself. I'll look in the mirror and I'm going to say, what do you need today? How can I help you? And beginning to believe that the person looking back at you does want that for you. It's a little meta. It's a little existential, but it's true. There's the best version of ourselves and the worst version of ourselves, and we always live somewhere in between. And so we want to work as hard as we can to take steps towards the best version. We're never going to reach either one of them. But how can you take care of yourself better? How can you love yourself more deeply? How can you build a relationship of trust with yourself? I think that's a really powerful question. So, why don't you think of me when you go to the bathroom now? But you'd be like, Sterling wants me to stop and look in that mirror, and I don't feel like it. My brain doesn't want to do that. That sounds uncomfortable. Can't make me. But I want some part of you to go, but what if she's right? What if I need to look at myself in the mirror and repair that relationship and build some trust there? That's pretty cool, huh? All right, you guys, I love you. I'm praying for you. Have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.